Hello everybody. Welcome to my travel routine. So it usually starts off pretty early in the morning and I'm drinking my tea, and I also like to check the weather of the place that I'm going to. Then I also like to set up my outfit the night before, so I'm wearing this white top from PacSun and some jogger pants from Forever 21, and I usually put my hair in a ponytail or some sort. I don't wear any makeup, just a little moisturizer, because that airplane oxygen air is just nasty and I just don't want makeup just sitting on my face on the plane. And then I'm just packing up my toiletries that I'll need. Then the best part, honestly the worst part if I'm being honest, trying to fit everything in your suitcase and zip it up, because I never do it till the morning of, which is probably silly, but I have to wait because I can't, put my toothbrush in the night before. I gotta brush my teeth in the morning. So we were good, it all fit. And then I like to weigh my suitcase. So the way I do it is I weigh myself with the suitcase in my hand, and then I weigh myself without it, and then I subtract it and find the weight. Then I'm taking all my electronics, all my chargers, you know the deal, and putting it in my carry-on bag, which is still on pre-order until August 15th, so definitely go get your own. It is my own design. It says "She Believes Because She Did" on the front, and it's just been my travel carry-on bag this summer, and it's for school too. And then I like to fill up a Swell water bottle with water, because water at the airport's so expensive. And then once you get to security, you just pour the water out, and when you get past security, you just fill the water up again. And this is just a little slow-mo clip of my backpack. Then I'm putting on some of my heavier shoes, because that way your bag weighs a little bit less. So always wear your heaviest pair of shoes if you can. And they were super comfortable, so it worked out quite well. Then we are off to the airport, and my mom drove me. How sweet. And she cut me up a few apple slices before we got there. I'm gonna miss my mom in college. Once I get to the airport, I grab my backpack, my suitcase, my phone, everything I need, do a double check because you don't want to forget anything, give my mom a large hug, and I am off to security. And every now and then I'll get lucky and be the absolute only person on the tram, and it's a lot of fun. Also, make sure to go to the bathroom before you go on the plane, because trust me, it is no fun if you're stuck in the middle seat and you have to use the restroom. They just opened a Chick-fil-A in my airport, so I grabbed some lunch. Then once I get on the plane, you're not allowed to have big electronics at first, so while we're taking off, I listen to music, and then once we are, I think it's 10,000 feet up in the air, I'll pull out my computer and I'll watch a movie or something, just because it really passes the time, especially if it's like a 2.5 hour flight. Then literally just watch a movie and you're good to go. I chose to watch She's the Man. It's a great movie. It's a classic. It's hilarious. Then I landed in Dallas for my layover, so I stopped at a Starbucks, got myself a passion green tea lemonade, a sandwich, did some work, and it's time to board the second plane to Los Angeles. Once we landed in Los Angeles, I grabbed my bag once again, grabbed a snack for the long Uber ride because it was rush hour in LA, got my suitcase, called my Uber, and I was headed to my Airbnb. I finally got to my Airbnb, and the first thing I did, drop on the couch. I was so happy. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video gave you a nice glimpse into my travel routine and maybe gave you guys some tips. I love you guys so much. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to pre-order my backpack. It's up until August 15th. You can do that. The link is down below. I love you guys, and I will see you soon for my next video. Bye bye.